Alright then, so me have to say that too? Cho. Alright man. Love you. Cho. Cho. You know. Who me have to say it. Cho. Bubbles, you can come in.
Shepherd, your face don't eat the food. Oh, you know, say I make round the corner.
It's not too bad. If you're there for your place and somebody invade it, I don't know.
But Shepherd, I first may come at your house.
Well,
your original house.
No, me invite you. No, first time I invite you.
But I love your backyard. I must say you have the work up top there. It's nice.
Oh, a storeroom here, and I know where I build for rent. Me just want you know. For me now, when I go to road, go tell nobody say me have place down your bill, if then come ask for rent. Yeah. You know same thing. Better move from the tree and teach a lizard got dealing in my food.
Alright, so Shepherd, you know, say I always have to ask a question. Why you summon me here?
Bubbles. How much you know me?
Well, I know that most of what you tell us so far, you're fairly accurate.
You ever inspect me good? With how me dress? Especially me headdress?
No, you know. I never really studied that part there.
No, me want if you understand. When the blue under the red, same thing I go dread. But when the red is under the blue, same thing new.
But the blue under the red, that means that's something dread?
Look good enough.
Round the side of the red under the blue.
That means it's both something dread and something new.
Alright, Shepherd. I'm all ears.
What a cassava sweet. Oh, sorry. Major than sweet. If I finger them, they left in me bite them off. No. Can't take a breath. Bubbles. There comes a time in your life where you have to go learn to take control. It's not that you never ever take control all the while, but this is a higher level of control. Now, what is happening at your workplace?
Well, we're inactive at the moment, pending an investigation.
Depending on what?
Pending, Shepherd, an investigation.
Oh, they might dig up on no file for read on no rights.
Something like that, you know, Shepherd. But me know the agency do far more good than negative.
Me know. But how things set up right now, it look like we're going to do far more bad than good.
Shepherd, please explain what that means.
No. Your boss is a very stubborn man, I realize. And certain things he don't believe in. Well, he's skeptical. Me no matter that. But there is a decision we are going to make. And I had to confront him because I saw it in the vision. Me never bother say nothing to you. Me go straight to him. He may tell you. And me talk to him about it. And if him not tap, big trouble. So Bubbles, me need you. You go talk to him and tap him in a track.
Why, Shepherd? Pops don't set in them ways already.
Hot Calabunda! you have leadership quality. At time you start take up the rein. Put him in a place and you take for your rightful place. Hey, make him know say him fi go sit down. And not make me put him fi sit down. Cause it will take a long time before him get up back.
Shepherd, would this have anything to do with a decision we might make? A politician?
Me no know how we know. But I can tell you say, that decision we might plan to make, if you ever make it, there is going to be consequences. There is going to be weeping and mourning. There is going to be gnashing of teeth. For it will cause life. It will cause problem. And not only life, unnecessary life.
We didn't know, you know. Me say, this is the first time he make a decision where me totally disagree with.
Follow your tomok. Look, you know, him is a good man, you know, with a good heart. But sometimes the heart they swell up in him. And so when it swell up in him, I saw him get stiff naked. And you see, when you get whole, at that time you get stiff naked, I'm a old man. Sometimes it need a younger mind, a younger energy to bring things into